Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you can see on my screen, this is the first update. Okay, so in this video, I am going to discuss two updates coming from the TCS and Capgemini. So first update you can see on my screen. Okay, so you can see मेरे एक friend को आया है mail batch and roll 2023 A4 analyst. Okay, so today many candidates got their joining confirmation and document verification mail from the Capgemini team. So here you can see this type of mail you are going to receive from the Capgemini team. Capgemini joining confirmation documents verification email. We glad to inform you that we have finalized your onboarding schedule. As you all know that previously they replied each and every one candidates who raised the ticket or who mailed to the particular query regarding onboarding, and they replied they are we are going to onboard before ending of this year. So yes, finally they started. So you can see your onboarding and training location will be as per the information given below. However, post completion of the training, successful deployment location will be informed in accordance with business requirements. Mode of onboarding and training physical, and you have to complete your 8th semester and module marks it, yes or not. You have to keep yes, and if you don't have, please contact with the call, because I think 2023 batch all have the documents right now. Okay, date of onboarding 9th November 2023. Onboarding location Noida. Address you can see. Training location and the reporting time 8:30. Note: post of your training, the final work office location and plan will be updated as per the business requirement. You may be required to work from office regularly, virtually, or hybrid model. Request you to plan your travel and accommodation as per the detail provided above. We will not able to provide any accommodation, hence we request you to arrange your accommodation, okay, near your onboarding location. For any accommodation assistance, please refer to the above attached PDF. In order to ensure a smooth onboarding experience, we have put together all the necessary information. Kindly read the below instruction carefully and keep the necessary documents ready. Okay, so what type of document they want? PAN card, e-Aadhaar card, and if you don't have a passport, just apply, and your first 2 semester mark sheet, your photo, वगैरह वगैरह. So all the document you have to keep with you. Okay, and this is the batch 1 can celebrate batch 14 2022 BTech. Okay, so this is the mail which I shown you now. This is the 2023 batch. Okay, 2023 batch A4. What is this for? A4 analyst from 2023 batch. Okay, and this is for next batch 14 22 BTech from IT. LOI got March 22, March 24 22. Batch 2 batch 14 22 batch. Okay, BTech LOI got May and 26th September. This is a joining date for the Hyderabad location, and student 3 reporting date 5th October. Okay, and see, so this type of messages candidates today many received, like message: greeting from TCS, we have sent G Ninja offer to your email ID. If you are interested, please send below documents to this. If you are not interested, send a mail to this. Subject: reference ID, name, document needed: 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, UG or semester mark sheet, consolidated mark sheet, provisional certificate. Please put all the document in a single PDF and name it as a reference ID underscore candidate name, means DT 2020 something underscore Pappu then Kumar, whatever name you have. Okay, and candidates are, if you are saying this, this is a fake, no bro, this is not a fake. You can see this is the official email address, safiq.ahmad@tcs.com. So this is the official. So sir, is this a HR? Yes, this is a HR. You can see safiq.ahmad. Okay, you can see safiq.ahmad@tcs.com. You can see this is a mail. Are you getting a point? Here you can see timing. You can see 11 September 4:37 evening he got the mail, and around morning 8:31 a.m. Okay, so because you are saying that this is a fake, no, this is not a fake. Okay, once you send it's a fake, maybe it's a fake. Once you check the email address, if the email address is something somewhere else, then please don't share any document. But this is the tcs.com now. This domain is only for registered for TCS, not for others. Okay, so this is the verified. Okay, and this type of mail you're also going to receive, because you are not traveling to the location, and you have to complete document verification via email. Okay, we kindly request you to mail the following document वगैरह वगैरह in September. You can see to proceed the further before 5:30 p.m. You can see 4:37 got the mail, and around 5:30 he tell that please send me document for further process. Okay, 10th mark sheet, 12 mark sheet, and whatever document they mentioned. Okay, and this is the process how to send. Are you getting a point? Okay, so this is the update because currently they don't want to visit candidates location, and they want all the document verification process via email. Okay, and this is the update from the two different company. And if you have any type of doubts, query, you can ask in comment section. Okay, and this is a complete candidate experience timeline, batch and role, and physical onboarding and training is going to be happen for the Capgemini, and TCS also asking the physical like via email. They are completing their onboarding process, document verification process. No need to visit anywhere location. So, we'll just shoot him to then. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.